Wall-mounted installation video. Open the package. Take out the telescopic rail. Loosen the screw on the sensor side. After loosening the screws, the length can be adjusted according to the actual length. Adjust the size or scale. Loosen the screw in the middle. Loosen the screw on the pulley. Slide the pulley to move. It can drive the handle wheel to open and close. Take the top coat out of the box. The top coat serves as a fixing roll. Finally, it is used for screw installation. Wall-mounted. Install it into the track. Fix the telescopic rail in the desired position on the wall. Screw it in. Fix it in place. Fix the other screws in turn. Tighten all the screws. Press the motor button to the right. Fix the motor in place. Connect the wires. Insert the power into the motor expansion track. Make the motor light up the red light. Press the button in the middle of the remote control. Press the up and down keys on the remote control again. Activate the motor. Press the up button to start the telescopic track. Then install the curtain. You can hide the motor. Effect presentation.